Everybody wants to download free things. And the first app that comes in our mind for downloading almost anything for free is, yeah, you guessed it right, uTorrent. But downloading free movies, games also exposes you to a great extent. Let me rephrase that. Downloading free stuff exposes your IP address to potential hackers. And if this information reaches them, they can steal your data, control your device, or even impersonate you. So, in order to avoid all this, it is necessary to take some steps which will help us use uTorrent in a safe way. Here are some ways through which you can use uTorrent safely. So, the first method is downloading a torrent with lots of Cedars. Lots of Cedars generally means that the torrent doesn't have any viruses. While this certainly is not a guarantee, it can help you whittle down the list. A lot of Cedars will also result in a faster transfer. The second method is using a VPN. VPN is Virtual Private Network. What it basically does is hide your IP address from potential hackers. It stops those people who are trying to monitor you while you are busy downloading free stuff from torrent sites. For me, TouchVPN works perfectly. It does the job and it is free to use. So earlier, when I showed you my IP, it wasn't my real IP address. I used TouchVPN to change it. And now if I connect to a different country and search my IP address now, you will see a different one. The third step is using a good antivirus. Always use a good and trusted antivirus. Norton, Quick Heal are some example of trusted antivirus programs. Avoid free antivirus like Avast. After you download a torrent file, make sure you scan it through your antivirus. So if the file is corrupt, that is, it has a virus which can cause potential damage, it will be removed immediately. If the file is safe, you are good to go. So, by using these three simple steps, you can safely download stuff from torrent without getting monitored. And as phrased earlier, not exposing ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. And if you find any mistake or a loophole, then make sure you post your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you until the next one.